everyone, welcome to Law Simple and Pure. Dr. Vaishali here, and today I'm going to teach you 5 important MCQs relating to any UPSC, MPSC, JMFC or law entrance examination. Every day I'll be teaching you 5 MCQs and I'm going to explain those MCQs in such a way that you will never forget them. MCQ number 1. Which is the Republic Day of India? Answer is 26th January. Why 26th January? Because on 26th January 1949, Indian Constitution came into existence. Then why it is celebrated as Republic Day? Republic means for public or which speaks for public. Our preamble or constitution begins, we the people of India give ourselves this constitution. It means this constitution is made by the people and for the people, and that's why it is republic. Okay, and that's why we celebrate our Republic Day on 26th January, because on 26th January 1949 Indian Constitution came into existence. MCQ number 2. Which day is celebrated as Independence Day of India? Answer is 15 August. Why? Because on 15 August 1947, Britishers left India. Finally, they left the India and India was no more ruled by UK's government. India became independent. India got its freedom, and that's why we celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August. MCQ number 3. Fundamental rights which are there in Indian Constitution are borrowed from which country? Fundamental rights in Indian Constitution are borrowed from US Constitution. It comes from the part of US Constitution which is called as Bill of Rights. You should know one thing, that in India several features are borrowed from several countries. While making Indian Constitution, Constituent Assembly decided that we are going to borrow very important features from some of the other countries. So features from Canada, from Ireland, from Australia, from UK, from Germany, from France are borrowed in Indian Constitution. Next MCQ. Rule of law is borrowed by which country? Rule of law is borrowed from United Kingdom. It is not borrowed from the Constitution of United Kingdom, because United Kingdom has no constitution. It is borrowed from UK's law. So rule of law is borrowed from UK. Next MCQ or number 5. Suspension of fundamental rights during emergency is borrowed from which constitution? This principle is borrowed from Germany's constitution. Okay, because during emergency fundamental rights get suspended except Article 21 and 22. We can discuss this later, but these are today's MCQs. Republic Day 26th January, because Constitution came into existence. Independence Day 15 August, because on that day Britishers made India independent. Next thing, fundamental rights are borrowed from US Constitution. Rule of law is borrowed from UK's law, and suspension of fundamental rights during emergency, this principle is borrowed from Germany's constitution. So that's it for the day. Stay tuned for tomorrow's MCQs. Goodbye and good luck.